Andaman Sea is important biographic connectivity of the world. The coast and deep sea of the region is the linkage of the northern and southern bioregion in the South China Sea. Between the ecological areas of Himalayan to the Great Sunda continent in the past, before the sea flooded into the islands nowadays. It is similar to Central America, that is a bridge connecting the North and South America ecosystems. There are only two places like this on a global scale. Coral reefs and ecosystems of the Surin Islands and the Similan Islands are part of the UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site, together with the coastal islands, coastline and mangrove forests in Ranong Province, Tai Mueang Beach and Mai Khao Beach to maintain a continuous area. This ecoregion lies at the confluence of the southern marine influence of two oceans. These are the South China Sea and the northern Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. Persistent currents flowing clockwise around the Bay of Bengal interact with seasonal water masses passing through the Straits of Malacca, resulting in a complex intermingling of biotas. This natural intermingling of tropical ocean biotas occurs nowhere else in the world. Today, the North Andaman Sea is of outstanding universal value, matching the qualifications of being listed as a World Heritage Site for extraordinary natural beauty. That Thailand will promise to preserve its outstanding international values forever.